Volume is the amount of space an object takes up in three-dimensional space. Area is the amount of space an object takes up in two-dimensional space, or flat space. We call it two dimensions because an object really only exists in those two dimensions, the x and y coordinate plane. The z-axis allows things to be in three dimensions. For example, my flat square can now become a three-dimensional cube. When we find the area of something, we measure them in square units. With our new third dimension, we measure things in cubic units. With area, we multiplied in our two dimensions, length and width, to find our square units. With volume, we still multiply length and width, but now we have a third dimension, the height. When we multiply the length times width times height, we get our cubic units. It will help us later on to think about volume as multiplying an area by how tall an object is. That area will be a base, and each prism has a pair of them. With rectangular prisms, however, have three pairs of bases, so it might not matter which side you choose. When we begin working with other figures like triangular prisms or cylinders, it will be easy to see that there are only two bases for each figure. To review, volume is the space an object takes up in three-dimensional space. With area, we multiply length and width to find how much flat space an object takes up. With volume, we have to multiply by the third dimension, height, to find out how much 3D space an object takes up. So the formula to find the volume of any rectangular prism is length times width times height.